Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your CPU supports VTX or AMDV and that you have enough RAM and cores to host multiple sessions. Once done, pick a hypervisor that matches your environment, Proxmox, ESXi, Hyper-V, or KVM, and install it on the host machine. Make sure to enable a bridged network interface and create the first 2 VMs to test. This immediate action gets computing resources allocated and a basic network path established so clients can connect next. Once VMs exist, allocate CPU cores, memory, and storage intentionally. Use CPU pinning or dedicated NUMA policy to avoid contention. If a GPU or USB device must be dedicated, configure pass-through carefully and install corresponding drivers in each VM. Next, set up remote protocols, RDP, SPICE, or VNC, whichever fits latency and multimedia needs, and place management on a separate VLAN. Make sure to configure SSH key access for admin tasks and enable firewall. You finish by connecting each client device to its assigned VM and performing interactive tests. Open apps, stream audio, and measure latency. Then monitor host metrics, CPU, disk I/O, and memory, and tune co-S or C groups to prevent noisy neighbors. Make sure backups and snapshots are scheduled. If things go wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. When clients lag, verify CPU pinning and NUMA alignment first. Then check for I/O saturation or network packet loss. Resolving those typically restores expected performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.